Post Falls, Idaho. What changes it has seen. For the past 15 years, this little building is where we served our community. In 2023, we served over 3,000 neighbors and processed over 1.25 million pounds of food. It was a lot for our little building. In 2024, we had the opportunity to move to a larger building, and we took it. Come on, let me show you what it's like. As Kootenai County has grown, the pressure for young families has increased. Middle-income workers, as well as those on fixed incomes, are flocking to the marketplace as a way to feed their families and pay their bills. The beautiful thing about the 3rd Avenue Market is that it's not a food bank where families line up for a box of food that someone else has filled. No, they shop. They pick out the food they want to feed their families. Who knew that something like shopping could be so dignifying? We see about 100 families every day. The food we put on our market shelves comes from community donations and our grocery rescue program. We collect food from grocery stores 6 days a week, process, and put it in the market. Our registered families can find meat, dairy, produce, canned goods, everything you might find at your local grocers. At the end of the year, the 3rd Avenue Market families will have used almost 1 million pounds of food. Our grocery rescue program works so well that we are able to share with over 25 other nonprofits in Kootenai County. Last year, we were able to donate over 400,000 pounds of food to other food programs. Our food helps families throughout the county. There's a lot else going on under our roof. We offer case management for our families, nutrition and financial classes, senior programs, including weekly lunches and activities, musical entertainment, field trips, cribbage, and ping pong. So many pieces of our community came together to create this experience for our families. Monday through Friday, the 3rd Avenue Marketplace is open for business. Now that's how we think a food bank should work. Thank you, Kootenai County.